Hey guys, I want to start by thanking you for dropping the comments. I take the feedback seriously, so I'm going to take these into consideration. Yes, I'm going to post more about the products, how I scale, how I distribute products, and so on. And yes, I'm going to talk a bit louder. Thank you for the feedback. I want to talk about a few things today around what we've been doing. Majority of my day has been into management of things. The major thing we are doing now is migrating away from Substack to Beehiiv news. We've been planning this for a very long time now, is to migrate away from Substack to a more controllable newsletter. So right now Substack is not charging you anything in order to host your subscribers. But the problem with Substack is that because it's also free, you have very little control over your subscribers. At one point, the Explainx newsletter had over 10,000 subscribers and it was scaling daily. One random day, my account got deactivated and they purged all the subscribers from my account, saying that my open rate was too low. Now, open rate was, I believe, around 15-16%, which is fine for most newsletters, but it was low as so we had our newsletter subscribers pruned, and I think only 1,500 of the 10,000 we had initially ended up being our subscribers. So ever since then, we've been wanting to migrate to a platform where we could have more control over our content. Beehiiv appears to be a good platform at this point. It also has support for ads and features that might help us make some revenue on the content we're working on daily. This is the migration that we've worked on today. It's not yet done. We're still working on this, but end of this week, this should be done. We worked on building a proper sprint plan for this week. One of the major things I've been working on, especially on the Ollie side of things, if you don't know, it's one of our products that enables you to comment and scale your social media faster. We've added this new border on the website that enables you to understand which post can help you get more reach per your comments. And this is again not a major effort. We've been also working on auto commenting feature. If you've used, you know this. So if you click here, you can start an agent that can automatically comment on your social media platforms, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. This feature has been a huge pain because every time we fix something else breaks, and then we have to keep fixing it. So we've been running in loop for a very long time to get this fixed, and it looks like we've made significant progress. If I just click here, you can see this opens 4 windows of agents that are auto commenting and engaging using your social media platforms. So you can see it's running in the background mode and it's starting to comment with Instagram, to LinkedIn, and so on. So it runs on all 4 windows at the same time depending on your memory usage. It auto optimizes and then auto closes once it's done. This is one of the major features. The other feature that I've been working on the Ollie side of things, or rather we've been working on, I think this is the only thing that I can very sure say is going to be shipped realistically, given that this has taken very little effort. But the other features around auto commenting and especially prompt engineering, right? So if I click on congratulate right now, it's going to start generating the comment, and the comment that you see now, this is way more realistic than the comments that we were generating ahead. It's still not perfect because you can see exciting times ahead for sure, and all these things that I don't want to see in the output still appear. So I've been working on prompt engineering side of things. The code, to be very honest, it's too much. That also means that we've not organized our code very well at this point. So we're working on optimizing this, but I think we should be able to ship this regardless later this week. We've been also working on the mobile app, and I'd love to show you the demo for mobile app, but we're not very much there at this point. The way we plan to distribute this is for the current set of users. Obviously, we'll send out an email to people who've been using our product. We are also going to make it work across our courses, which is one of our major ways to distribute content. As far as the project I mentioned yesterday, I'm still not ready to announce what we're building just now, but you should hear back from me by the end of this month. We're planning to launch this mid next month at some point, but you should hear back from me about that feature very soon. As far as the office dynamics goes, we've had a few people take presentations for the new feature that we've been working, and I'm going to share the clip with you on the screen right now. Essentially, what we are planning to do internally is try and get people engaged and connect with the problem that we're trying to solve. Because over time, I've built these 2 products. I've been committed personally to building the products pretty well, or rather pretty committed mentally to build these well, but I haven't really invested that time to do this for my team as well. So I haven't really team or made them accountable for the problem over the last few years. So I'm trying to change that. And hopefully for the product that we're building now, I should be able to do it. If you guys have some ideas on how to do this best, please let me know. I've been a great performer in my previous jobs, but this is my first time as a founder. It's been 2 years since I've been doing this and I'm doing fine, but I still think I can get some directions in case you guys have some directions in mind. These are all the updates from this week. I'll try to keep sharing these updates more frequently, and I hope you keep sharing your feedback. This is genuine content coming directly from me, what we are working on a more regular basis. I hope you can learn something. And if you ask questions, I hope I can help you with the answers you were looking for. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep sharing your feedback. Thank you.